In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix margin in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to set precise margins, quickly adjust them with the ruler, and fix text that won't line up because of hidden indents. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Docs. Click the official Google Docs link to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you can access your documents. Next, open the document you want to work on. You can choose an existing file from your list or create a new blank document if you're starting fresh. For precise control, use the Page Setup tool. Click the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Page Setup. A pop-up window will open with several options for your document layout. On the right side of that window, under Margins, you'll see fields for top, bottom, left, and right. Type the exact measurements you want in inches. If you're following guidelines for school or work, enter those numbers here for an accurate layout. If you want every future blank document to use the same margins, click Set as Default. When you're happy with the values, click OK to apply the changes to your current document. If you prefer to eyeball the width to make your text fit nicely, use the interactive ruler on desktop. If you don't see a numbered ruler at the top of your page, open the View menu and click Show Ruler to turn it on. To adjust the left or right margin with the ruler, move your cursor to the gray boundary area on the top ruler until it turns into a double-headed arrow. Click and drag that boundary to the left or right to expand or shrink the text area. Watch the body text shift as you drag so you can fine-tune the layout visually. If your text still looks uneven or pushed too far to the right, even after setting margins, you're likely dealing with indentation markers. Highlight all of the affected text by pressing Ctrl+A or use your system's Select All shortcut. Look at the top ruler and find the blue rectangle and the blue triangle sitting together at the left edge. Drag both of those shapes back to the 0 mark on the ruler. This clears hanging and first-line indents, forcing the text to align with your true page margin. That's it. Use Page Setup for exact measurements, the ruler for fast visual adjustments, and the indent markers to fix stubborn alignment.